So after like a year, or like 4 years, finally at this building. Sugar building. On their old Otis elevator. The old cage. This one's been caged in glass, and I think... No, it's open. We could take it up. Cool. It's been restored by KONE. You can see the sign up there. Here we are, 6th floor. Wow. The old controls, the old dead man switches. You can move them even. Look at that. I think this thing automatically returns to lobby. Maybe? No. Yeah, legit Birdcage elevator. Restored, so it's got like, there's glass you can't poke through and get your hands cut off by the walls and the stairs and whatnot, but yeah, super cool. Here, let's get a look at the fixtures. Let's turn on a light. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. Armor fixtures, an HID prox reader. Take the elevator back down. Wow. I've seen a few of these. There's that one in Victor. Not as in good condition as this. It does have CJ Anderson fixtures, though, which are, in my opinion, better than those. But still super cool.